take this key. You will be fine. Get out, my dear. 'Tis a fine line between being alive or winding up dead, someone somewhere said, as she made her way towards freedom's mirage, pushing past the limits in her mind. Horses can't run with a broken leg, she heard in a song. That song was wrong. She couldn't run, so she decided to walk. She grabbed the rope, dismissing how she felt fragile and weak, helpless, helpless, helpless. The whispers in the wind told her not to lose faith. His love isn't real. It's time to flee. Do it for you, dear one, not for me. She climbed the hill, the knots untied. She heard them laugh. He says you'll be back. Oh, how the gatekeeper lied. Well, he tried.